How to replace the airbag in your 2007 to 2014 GM truck. I am Stephen Wimberley and this is Working with Wimberley. The first step is to disconnect the negative terminal on the battery. You want to make sure that there is no power going to the airbag so that it doesn't accidentally deploy. And you'll need a 10mm socket with the short extension and the ratchet to do that. I left the battery disconnected for 30 minutes before working on the airbag. I'm going to use a 1/8 drill bit. The airbag releases from two small holes on the side of the steering wheel. So now I'm going to start on the left side of the steering wheel. Now I'm looking for a point where I feel some resistance, almost like a spring. You're going to feel it push back a little bit. Right there. So I got it. You see the separation on the airbag on the left side? So I'm just gonna hold my hand right here and I'm gonna repeat the process on the right side. Okay. And now on the right side, I'm gonna do the same thing. There we go. And once you get it on the right side, the airbag just pops out just like that. And now we can see our two wires here. We wanna carefully disconnect these two wires. So before you can remove these, you need to lift and pull out the yellow clip. So I'm going to use a small screwdriver to do that. Just carefully get underneath it, pop it out, and remove it. Do the same thing over here. Carefully pry underneath it, lift it up, and remove it. There's two small tabs you need to squeeze together and then you can remove the connector. Pink one's out. And the white one's out. And now the airbag is out. And one thing to note, the white and the pink, the connectors are different. You can't mess this up. They can only go one way. And installation is even quicker and simpler than it was to take it out. So let me get it back in. So I'm going to snap the white side back in. I'm going to snap the pink side back in. I'm going to replace the clips. So with the yellow clips back in, carefully line up the airbag and give it a firm push. And that's it. So with the airbag reinstalled, I'm going to reconnect the negative cable on the battery and this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.